recording, part 1. Pen. So for this one, we're talking about area. It's flat. There's no volume included or involved. We're talking about a square of area 49 centimetres as shown. Find the length of the side of one of the square. So you should write down what you're given. The area is 49 centimetres squared. If the area is 49 centimetres squared, the other formula for area would be length by breadth. Okay? In this case, though, what do you know about a square? All sides are the same. So really, wouldn't the formula be L squared? Would you agree with that? So what we're saying then, given the two statements we have, we'd be saying that L squared is 49. And what's the opposite of squaring something? Square rooting it. So we get L is 7. Okay, so that was part 1. So for part 2, we need to find the area of the shaded region. We discovered that L was what in the first one? 7 centimetres. And remember, the shape was a square with a circle inside. Now, if the length of the square is 7, what's the radius of the circle? 3.5. Good. So R is 3.5. Why do I need that? I need that because if I'm talking about area of a circle, I need the radius for that. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. I need to fill in the information I know. A is, now did they give you a value for pi? Pi was 22/7 from the question. Or we know from our part 1, I'm going to undo that, sorry, is 3.5 and it's squared. And the last step then is obviously you need to use a calculator to get the area of that. Has anyone? Now the important bit here at this point is it feels like we've finished the question. You haven't actually finished the question because they asked you for the shaded section, not the area of the circle. So the final step is going to be to subtract the two areas. You were given the area of the square, which was 49. We have figured out the area of the circle, which is 38.5, and that gives us our final area. And 10.5 is our final answer there in terms of the area of our shaded circle. Okay, record.